Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set your mechanical watch. First, ensure your watch is fully wound. If it's an automatic, a few gentle shakes will start it. For manual wind, unscrew the crown if it's a screw-down type, then gently pull it out to the winding position. Turn the crown clockwise about 30 to 40 times until you feel a slight resistance, indicating it's fully wound. Next, if your watch has a date complication, you'll set it. Gently pull the crown out to the first click. This is typically the date setting position. Turn the crown in either direction to advance the date. It's best practice to set the date to the day before today's actual date. This prevents issues when setting the time. Now, let's set the time. Pull the crown out one more click to the second position. This allows you to move the hour and minute hands. Turn the crown clockwise, advancing the hands past 12 o'clock to ensure you set the correct AM or PM. Align the minute hand precisely with a reliable time source, like your phone or a digital clock. Once the time is accurately set, gently push the crown all the way back into the watch case. If your watch has a screw-down crown, remember to screw it back down securely to maintain its water resistance. Give your watch a quick check to ensure it's ticking smoothly and keeping accurate time. Enjoy your perfectly set mechanical timepiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.